Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. Guys, in today's video, we are going to see 4 plus off-campus drives which are currently ongoing in the market from different companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, Bosch, NIQ and other companies. I will be discussing complete educational qualification as well as eligibility criteria for all the jobs. So make sure to watch the video till complete end so that you don't miss on any of the important information on any of the job. So guys, before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel as I regularly post these kinds of helpful videos on my channel on daily basis. So guys, let's see the first off-campus drive for today, which is from Cognizant. Cognizant is currently hiring for fresher role, non-technical support. Let's see more details about this job. Fresher, commerce background and role is non-technical data processing. Here you can see on this page, complete job details are mentioned, what you need to do in your day-to-day job. Okay, make sure to read this. Qualification: process associate, graduate in any discipline, 1 year of experience in BPO transaction, data processing background. Qualification for senior process associate, graduation in any discipline, 1+ year of experience in foreclosure support, pre-foreclosure bids, etc. Skill set: good analytical skills, research knowledge and decision making, knowledge of MS Office Excel, good written and spoken communication skill, ability to work in shift, preferably night, willingness to work 6 days a week. So guys, complete details are mentioned on this page. Make sure to read it and then click on this apply now button to apply for this job. Next opportunity is from Bosch, which is currently hiring for AI ML Python developer role. So guys, here is the complete detail mentioned. What is the responsibilities of the candidate, which means what you need to perform once you get this job. For example, develop specific use cases and modules within Gen AI technology stack, conduct system design and code reviews, demonstrate proficiency in SDLC and agile methodologies, etc. Requirements mentioned are bachelor's degree, BE or BTech in computer science, information technology or related field, strong knowledge of AI/ML tools and natural language processing techniques, hands-on experience with Gen AI foundation models and vector databases, familiarity with microservice principles and experience in developing RESTful APIs, knowledge of writing secure code, addressing any linting issues, etc., experience in developing production ready code. So guys, in order to apply, you have to click on this apply button. Next opportunity is from NIQ. So guys, they are hiring for data operations analyst. Okay, so here is a complete job description, which means what you need to do once you get this job. Make sure to read it. Let's focus on the qualification. So in qualification, they have mentioned bachelor's of commerce or science or computer science or business information systems or IT, which means BSc, BCA, BTech, all are eligible, okay, for this role. Excellent organizational skills, aptitude to work in team and meet deadlines, a high degree of accuracy and proactivity and attention to detail, good analytical skills and aptitude for operational process, common business language knowledge, English speaking and writing with fluency. CTC is going to be 3.46 LPA and work location is going to be Chennai. Qualification, arts and science undergraduates 2024 and 2025 pass outs only they can also apply. So guys, if you are interested, you have to click on this I'm interested and then follow the next steps and submit your details. Next opportunity is from Deloitte, which is currently hiring for associate analyst, learning admin, Hyderabad. Okay, so guys, what you need to do is all mentioned here, like the job description. Make sure to give it a read. Okay, let's focus on the qualifications part. So you should have a graduate degree, 0 to 1 year of experience in learning administration, back office, service operations, customer service operations, proficient in use of Microsoft Office package applications, and preferred skill set mentioned is prior experience in training and development domain. Okay, so again, in order to apply, here is the apply now button for this role. Next opportunity is from Cloud Destination. So they are currently hiring for fresher roles. Let's see the job description. At Cloud Destination, we believe fresh minds bring fresh possibilities. Whether you are straight out of college or early professional, 0 to 3 years of experience, we are building a space that recognizes your potential. Location is going to be Chennai or Coimbatore. Experience required is 0 to 3 years. Employment type is full time. Interview routes: resume screening will be a first round, then online assessment, which will be on role based, then technical interview or live one-on-one interaction with the engineering team, and then final the HR interview. In order to apply, you have to fill your details in this form given over here, and then you have to submit it. Next opportunity, so which is of software development engineer 1. It is currently open from the company MyKaarma. Okay, so in order to apply, what you have to do is you have to click on apply now button, and what you have to do once you get this job is all mentioned here. Okay, so they are hiring for different roles. Like this role is software development engineer level 1. What they are looking for is experience 0 to 3 years of software development experience, which means freshers are allowed to apply. Education is a strong computer science fundamentals. A degree in computer science engineering tier 1, tier 2 institutes such as IIT, NIT are preferred but are not mandatory. Even others can apply and they can get shortlisted also. Skill set mentioned here: proficiency in at least one modern programming language, understanding of data structures, algorithm and design principles, strong communication skills for working with technical and non-technical teammates, curiosity and eagerness to learn. Technologies that they use are languages: Java, Python, C Sharp, front-end Angular, React, JWT, Bootstrap, mobile Android, iOS, Flutter, backend and frameworks, Spring, microservice architecture, Docker rules, Kong, infrastructure, databases and messaging and streaming details are also mentioned here. So guys, in order to apply, you have to click on this apply now, and then guys, there are some rewards details are also mentioned about the company. Make sure to read it. Okay, so guys, we have discussed all the off-campus drives for today, which are currently ongoing in the market. You will be getting the links of all these jobs in the description box of this video. Make sure to access it from there. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you next time.